Welcome to our review of the smartwatch. In this video, we will be discussing the latest features and specifications of the smartwatch. We will also be providing you with an in-depth analysis of the product's performance and design. If you are looking for a smartwatch that is both stylish and functional, then you have come to the right place. We will be covering everything you need to know about the smartwatch, including its price, battery life, and compatibility with different devices. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video till the end to find out why the smartwatch is the perfect choice for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The world of smartwatches with a special focus on the Garmin vivoactive 4S. This sleek, smaller-sized GPS smartwatch packs a punch with features like music, body energy monitoring, animated workouts, pulse ox sensors, and a stylish rose gold design with a white band. Let's get into it. The vivoactive 4S goes beyond the basics, keeping tabs on your energy levels, respiration, menstrual cycle, stress, sleep, estimated heart rate, hydration, and more. It's like having a personal wellness coach on your wrist, providing insights into your overall health and helping you make informed decisions. Say goodbye to workout boredom. Easily download your favorite tunes, playlists from Spotify, Amazon Music, or Deezer, and connect with headphones for a phone-free listening experience. It's the perfect companion for a pumped-up workout session or a serene yoga flow. With over 20 preloaded GPS and indoor sports apps, this smartwatch caters to all fitness enthusiasts. From running and swimming to yoga and more, you'll find the perfect activity to suit your mood. Animated workouts, covering strength, cardio, yoga, and Pilates, are right at your fingertips for a varied and engaging fitness routine. The vivoactive 4S is designed to accommodate a range of wrist sizes. Fitting comfortably with a circumference of 110 to 175 millimeters, this ensures that it's not just a powerful fitness tool but also a stylish accessory that complements your unique style. Enjoy an impressive battery life of up to 7 days in smartwatch mode and up to 5 hours in GPS and music mode. Personalize your watch with thousands of free watch faces and apps from the Connect IQ store. Stay connected with smart notifications, Garmin Pay for contactless payments, and safety features like incident detection and assistance. In conclusion, the Garmin vivoactive 4S is more than just a smartwatch, it's a comprehensive wellness and fitness companion. With its myriad features, stylish design, and user-friendly interface, it seamlessly integrates into your daily life, helping you achieve your health and fitness goals. If you're on the hunt for a reliable, feature-packed smartwatch, the vivoactive 4S might just be your perfect match. Number 4. The Fitbit Versa 4 Fitness Smartwatch. This sleek device promises to be your ultimate fitness companion with features like daily readiness, GPS, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, and more. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Fitbit Versa 4 is a game-changer for fitness enthusiasts. With a daily readiness score, built-in GPS, and a workout intensity map, it provides real-time stats during exercise. The 40-plus exercise modes and automatic tracking ensure that your fitness routine is diverse and effective. Taking care of your well-being extends beyond the gym. The Versa 4 excels in sleep tracking, offering personalized sleep profiles, daily sleep stages, and a sleep score. The Smart Wake Alarm and Do Not Disturb mode contribute to better sleep quality, making recovery a priority. Fitbit Versa 4 goes beyond basic fitness. It introduces tools for mental well-being, such as the stress management score, reflection logging, SpO2 monitoring, and guided breathing sessions. Features like menstrual health tracking and a health metrics dashboard complete the holistic health package. Designed for life beyond workouts, the Versa 4 offers on-wrist Bluetooth calls, text notifications, and phone alerts. Customizable clock faces, Fitbit Pay, Amazon Alexa integration, and Google Wallet and Maps enhance its functionality. With a 6+ day battery life, it's a true companion for your daily grind. As a cherry on top, the Versa 4 comes with a 6-month premium membership. This includes personalized insights, advanced analytics, and guided programs. A fantastic offer for both new and returning premium users, ensuring you get the most out of your fitness journey. In conclusion, the Fitbit Versa 4 impresses with its comprehensive fitness features, sleep tracking, and holistic health tools. It seamlessly integrates into your daily life, making it a well-rounded smartwatch. And with the bonus of a 6-month premium membership, it's a steal for those serious about their health and fitness goals. Number 3. The Google Pixel Watch. Packed with features like Fitbit activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, and an elegant design, this smartwatch promises to be your daily companion. Let's break down why it might just be the perfect fit for you. First things first, the Pixel Watch catches your eye with its stunning champagne gold stainless steel case and the stylish hazel active band. The circular, domed design not only looks chic but also provides a whole new experience with Wear OS by Google, ensuring you can easily access information with just a glance. Fitness enthusiasts, rejoice! The Pixel Watch seamlessly integrates Fitbit activity tracking, keeping you informed about your activity levels, calories burned, and more. And the cherry on top? Enjoy 6 months of Fitbit Premium included, taking your fitness journey to the next level. But it's not just about staying fit. This smartwatch has your health covered too. Track your heart rate, gain insights into your sleep patterns, and assess your heart rhythm for AFib with ECG. It's like having a personal health assistant on your wrist. The Pixel Watch isn't just a fitness companion, it's a productivity powerhouse. From Google Wallet for contactless payments to turn-by-turn directions using maps and event notifications from Calendar, it's designed to save you time and keep you connected wherever you go. In emergencies, the Pixel Watch has your back with Emergency SOS. It can alert trusted contacts or 911 when you're feeling unsafe. Plus, with scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass and water resistance up to 50 meters, it's built to withstand your active lifestyle. In a nutshell, the Google Pixel Watch is not just a smartwatch, it's a lifestyle companion. With its sleek design, fitness features, health insights, ultimate connectivity, and safety features, it ticks all the boxes. So, if you're looking for a blend of style and functionality, this might just be your perfect match. Stay connected, stay active, and stay stylish with the Google Pixel Watch. Number 2. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. This sleek 44mm Bluetooth smartwatch promises to be your ultimate fitness companion, sleep coach, and style statement. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. I'm excited, so let's jump right in. The Galaxy Watch 6 takes your workouts to the next level. With over 90 tracked exercises, it gives you detailed insights into your duration, distance, and calories burned. Whether you're running or swimming, this smartwatch has got you covered, helping you crush those fitness goals. Finding your fitness zone has never been easier. The personalized heart rate zones on this watch are a game changer. By analyzing your health data, it tailors heart rate zones specific to you. This means you can target the right intensity to achieve your fitness goals with precision. Say goodbye to restless nights. The advanced sleep coaching feature is like having a sleep expert on your wrist. Plan your bedtime, detect snoring, and track your sleep stages from being awake to the deepest REM sleep. Get ready for a whole new level of sleep insights and habits. Your health is a top priority, and the Galaxy Watch 6 takes it seriously. The always-on heart monitoring feature continually scans for irregular rhythms that might indicate AFib, a potentially serious heart condition. It's like having a personal health guardian on your wrist. Know your body inside and out with the advanced BIA sensor. Get readings on body fat, skeletal muscle, body water, BMI, and more. This watch goes beyond the basics, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of your overall health and wellness. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 impresses on multiple fronts. It seamlessly blends fitness tracking, sleep coaching, and health monitoring into a stylish package. With its largest display yet, customizable bands, and enhanced watch faces, it's not just a smartwatch, it's a fashion statement. Stay connected, stay fit, and make moves in style with the Galaxy Watch 6. Number 1. The Apple Watch Series 8. If you're looking for the ultimate smartwatch experience, stick around because this one might just be your next essential companion for a healthier, more connected life. The Apple Watch Series 8 is your essential companion for a healthy lifestyle, now more powerful than ever. Advanced sensors offer deep health insights, and the always-on Retina display ensures you can easily check your stats at a glance, no matter the angle. What sets this smartwatch apart is its versatility. With a variety of sizes, materials, and an array of bands and watch faces, you can make it uniquely yours. It's not just a gadget, it's a stylish accessory tailored to your preferences. Apple takes safety seriously with innovative features like crash detection, fall detection, and emergency SOS. In critical situations, your watch can automatically connect you with emergency services. It's like having a guardian angel on your wrist. Dive into advanced health features like temperature sensing, blood oxygen monitoring, ECG capabilities, and detailed sleep tracking. The Apple Watch Series 8 provides a holistic view of your well-being, empowering you to take charge of your health like never before. Compatibility is key, and the Apple Watch Series 8 seamlessly integrates with your Apple devices. Whether it's unlocking your Mac, finding your iPhone, or making a payment with Apple Pay, it's designed to work effortlessly within the Apple ecosystem. Wrapping it up, the Apple Watch Series 8 is not just a smartwatch, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With durability, fitness prowess, a vast app ecosystem, and seamless connectivity, it's a powerhouse on your wrist. Stay connected, stay healthy, and make every moment count with the Apple Watch Series 8. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope the video will be useful for you and stay with us by subscribe. Take care. Bye.
you.